Alright, here are a few Bryant air conditioners at this place, like this. And I actually have been here. I was here 6 years ago and saw these, and the thing that caught my attention was the yellow logos, but unfortunately they faded. Oh, and they are heat pumps. Maybe I'll try and get a defrost. But then there's one of these right here. Yeah, these are good units. I've always wanted to find one. And that looks to be a heat pump as well. It's got a GE fan motor. Then here's the Bryant Evolution. Also a heat pump. Fortunately, I don't know if I can go down here, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get a defrost from these this winter. Alright, 2011. This one is from 2011, and it looks to be a 1.5 ton. And then here's this one. For whatever reason, it has ice buildup, water buildup. Couldn't have defrosted because it was 61 degrees out. Here's this one, which is from 2011 as well, and it is a 4 ton, looks to be. Alright, so yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over now.